Disaster Recovery Services in Tempe, CMIT Solutions, Tempe. Building strong IT recovery plans for business continuity. Understanding IT disaster recovery. In today's digital era, IT systems are crucial for every small to medium-sized business. Recognizing the importance of disaster recovery is essential for maintaining business operations. Companies face various challenges, such as cyber threats and natural disasters, which can significantly impact IT systems and workflows. Key elements of disaster recovery. Identifying critical assets and systems is the first step in creating an effective disaster recovery plan. Implementing redundancy and secure backup methods ensures data protection and quick recovery. Training employees through regular drills helps them understand and execute the disaster recovery plan effectively. Conducting risk assessment and business impact analysis. Performing a thorough risk assessment identifies potential threats and vulnerabilities. A business impact analysis determines the potential effects of disasters on business operations. Understanding these risks helps prioritize resources and strengthen the most critical areas first. Setting recovery goals and objectives. Establishing clear recovery goals, such as recovery time objectives, RTO, and recovery point objectives, RPO, is crucial. RTO defines the maximum acceptable downtime for systems or applications. RPO sets the maximum acceptable data loss during a disaster, guiding the focus of recovery efforts. Implementing and maintaining the plan. Regularly testing and updating the disaster recovery plan ensures its effectiveness. Conducting simulations and drills helps identify any gaps or weaknesses in the plan. Keeping the plan updated with technological advancements and organizational changes maintains its relevance and practicality.